Afternoon everyone. My name is Jeevanani from Information Technology Department of JNTU GV. Today I am going to discuss about how to create a currency converter web application in VS Code. First of all, we have to open VS Code. Here I already done, and I create currency1.html file and I give some code. This code implements a currency converter web application that allows user to convert an amount from one currency to another using live exchange rates. It uses the exchange rate API to fetch the exchange rates for various currencies. Key components and features are HTML structure, CSS styling, JavaScript logic. First of all, we are discuss about HTML structure. The main container holds the form elements and result display. It has a modern semi-transparent background and uses CSS for a clean design with rounded corners and drop shadows. From elements from and to currency selectors, two drop-downs allows user to choose the source and target currencies. An input field for the user to enter the amount they want to convert. The button triggers the conversion process when clicked. This div shows an error message if the currencies fail to load or if there is an issue with the conversion. This div shows the result of the conversion or a message if something goes wrong. And about the CSS styling, the page uses a linear gradient background from purple to blue and a backdrop filter for a frosted glass effect. The input fields and buttons are styled for a clean and modern look with hover effects on the button to enhance interactivity. And about the JavaScript logic, we are using API URL. I have already created API key and I give here. The API URL is the endpoint from the exchange rate API service that provides the exchange rates for different currencies. It sets to get the latest rates based on the US dollar, which is USD. DOM references here. These are the references to the relevant DOM element for the currency converter from the drop downs for selecting the currencies. Here we give some amount input is the input field where the user types the amount, and the convert button is the button that triggers the conversion, and the result div displays the conversion result. And error div shows any error message. Fetching available currencies. This asynchronous function fetches the latest exchange rate data from the exchange API and populates the from currency and to currency drop-downs with the available currencies. The object.keys data.conversion rate s extracts all the currencies available in the API's response. Each currency is added as an option in both the from and to drop-downs. The default selection is to USD for the from currency and EUR for the to currency. If the API result fails, an error message is shown in the error div. Currency conversion logic here is, here I give this convert currency. This asynchronous function performs the actual currency conversion. It retrieves the selected from currency to currency and the amount to convert. It checks if the enter amount is valid. If not, an error message is displayed. So now we check how it works. Here we click on port and go live. It directly goes into this, and here we give some. So here I defaultly added some currencies from USD, which is United States dollar, and to euros. Here I enter 100 and click on convert, and it converts. Here we see 100 US dollars is equals to 941.60 euros. This is the working of currency converter. Thank you.